Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Whoopingcough cases soar as vaccination rates drop. Feleena Owens, a 2-week-old baby, was struggling to breathe due to pertussis, whooping cough, and had to be airlifted to a hospital and put on a ventilator. Whooping cough cases are rapidly increasing in the US, with over 26,000 cases reported so far in 2025. This is the highest number in over a decade. The rise in whooping cough cases is linked to declining vaccination rates, as an NBC News/Stanford University investigation found that DTaP vaccine rates, which protects against pertussis, are falling across the country. In Texas, where the Owens family lives, over 50% of counties are below the recommended 95% vaccination rate for community protection. Several states, including Texas and Oregon, have reported significant increases in whooping cough cases, with some resulting in infant deaths. Experts say the increase in cases is preventable, as the whooping cough vaccine is highly effective, but vaccine hesitancy is fueling the resurgence of this and other preventable diseases. The Owens family had all been vaccinated, but Feleena was too young to receive the shots when she became ill, highlighting the importance of community immunity to protect vulnerable infants. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.